Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard 92 in League of Legends. It's a simple fix. Here's what you're going to do. Go to search, type in add or remove programs. Once it opens, you want to type in here, search apps, type in Riot, and you want to delete Riot Vanguard. Click on install, uninstall, yes, yes. And after the Riot Vanguard is uninstalled, you can also do the same with League of Legends if you want. Like to fully freshly install it. If not, then just close this out and then open Riot Client. And after the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League and then click here update and it will install Vanguard. Click yes and it will install Vanguard again. And now it will say here your game requires a system reset, but don't restart it just yet. You want to go close this out, go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, click here, allow another app, click change settings, allow another app, click browse, go to local PC, hold on, this PC, find Riot Games, Riot Client, you want to add the client, obviously, add, I already have it, it will add it for you, Riot Games, League of Legends, you want to do the same for the client, which this is 129.740. Open it, add, it will be added. And the last thing, you want to go back to local C, go to program files, click somewhere here, press R till you find Riot Vanguard, double click on it, and then you want to add also VGC. Double click on it, it will say here Vanguard user mode service, and then click add. I already have all three, as you can see, Vanguard user mode service, Riot Client, and LOL launcher, and you want to make sure the both are ticked for public and private, and then you click OK and it will close this out. And the last thing you want to do before you restart your PC is go back to search, type in run, and run, you want to type in this services.msc. It will open this window. You want to click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. Double click on it, it will open this, and you want to switch this from manual to automatic. Now the delayed start is automatic, click apply, click OK. Exit out of this. The last thing you do is go back to search, type in system configuration. Once it opens, goes to services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC, and then click apply, OK, and it will ask you to restart your PC one more time. And after you restart your PC this time, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanguard 92 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, like, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.